Right, hello, welcome agent. So we're here, finally. Took long enough. Let's have a look at what your mission is today. You see that red button? Literally the only button in the room. Yep, that's the one. Okay, well your job is not to press it. Simple as that. Sound good? Great! Well, good luck, mate. If you have any questions, I'll be right here. What's that? What the hell was that? Did you press it? Why? Do you realise what you've done? You've killed us all! We literally have monkeys that are capable of not pressing buttons. Told them we should have sent the monkey. You know what? I'm done. I am done with you. You're absolutely hopeless. Press it. No, I'm not kidding. No! Absolute moron. Well, that didn't sound good. Okay, don't panic. We can fix this. And by we, I mean you. It says here there should be a fuse box under the desk. See anything? No, that's fine. Lie back. Have a cup of coffee. It's not like there's a timer or anything. While you're at it, why don't you go grab a scone? Or a copy of the Sunday Times? Who cares if the world is literally about to end? What is that? Is that the TV? You did it! You see that button in front of you. Do not press it this time, and we should be fine.